Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of HEPA filters. But not just any filter. We're talking about permanent HEPA filters. HEPA filters are lifesavers, especially if you've got allergies or respiratory issues. They trap tiny particles like dust, pollen, and even pet dander. But let's amp things up. Meet the permanent HEPA filter. Same effectiveness, but with one game-changing difference. They're built to last. Unlike your traditional HEPA filters, these don't require constant replacement. Think of the time, money, and environment saved. So what makes these filters different? These champs are encased in a metal frame, making them sturdier and long-lasting. They're also a green choice. Fewer replacements mean less waste in our landfills. Everything has its pros and cons, and permanent HEPA filters are no exception. They save money, are convenient, eco-friendly, durable, and highly efficient. But remember, they do require regular cleaning and might have a higher upfront cost. So how do you choose the right one? Consider your room size, the filter's MERV rating, its compatibility with your air purifier, and its maintenance requirements. Maintenance is key. Clean them regularly, following the manufacturer's guidelines. It's as simple as vacuuming, washing, drying, and reinserting. While these filters are durable, they won't last forever. Most need a replacement every 2-3 years. To wrap it up, permanent HEPA filters are a fantastic investment for fresh, clean air and savings in the long run. Do your research, maintain them well, and breathe easy. Want more insights like this? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community.